Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fire Brigade Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Menteri Rangba jong kejelau Konrad Konggal Sangma ha kakhat henreu trik unai liber arajar arpuwei ulabu mau nongrim ne gebenta ban kentiu kerdan no ya ke Maurang Keneng Public Health Center sha ke Community Health Center harengkat ke jingidan lang jong sembut Menteri Rangba kejelau uba Preston Tensong Menteri ketenat ke koi kekhia uba AL Hack Menteri ketenat transport uba senyau halang dhar bat kumju ru UMDC ke Sok Rengkham constituency uba penya itsing im bat kinongkit kam shnong jong ke shnong Maurang Keneng bat ki sordar shnong jong ki shnong beper ki bahap apok kathan Maurang Keneng. Menteri Rangba haba keren negeri kesngi kumukongsan ulaong baka sorkar kan sabishar banyak ru wat banbu no ya ke trauma center bat ya ki blood bank ha Maurang Keneng CHC kumbala terwanda Menteri jong ketenat ke koit kekhia uba AL Hack.
Kajing trai hitam jong kinong yalam ki beper nadu iba banyak SCM sordar bat kinong yalam shnong bat kinong yalam jong kestiet ke jongi ringkat bat kinong sensyar shnong ipat nang song shnong iba penur long bangin yo ya kan dikasni banbu yu mau nong rem bat kalong ke badan bok sisa hadu kata-kata bangin yo ya kini kenran ki lendan kenran ban dan dekat bat ni kalong kecing keman yang ni baro hang ni bat ni nget skam ba kecing kerku kecing ublay try kenran jeng ni najrong baro kata kedai lengba jong kini kinong yalam ki jongi bangin poi menda kasni ban penur long ya kacing kuah bat kacing thang jong baro ki badan beta hagni kacing kentiu ya kani kapi si sya si khan do khatwa ha kapor ka ba nyum dam nong mi khmat ra ha kapor bang nyum yo poi perkhat yo e kani ka CHC Cekalong geng-geng ka jengkerku, ya ka senong himpul kowe, mengaget scam. Ba kane ka CSC kan a ka jengcakri, ka babhatam. Ya ka senong mor kane himpul kowe, to ya ri ya sumat. To ya sim ba kade be ka CSC, wadom ong ba kade ka jong sarkar le ka bomon. Teng-teng ni ka jenglong bro tang bade jong sarkar. Dalit won ya sia angne tarno ento ya ka to ka kembor ro. Judai benong ta. Mo Dewan Sumar, siapa kadai kalau jong? Haba piwan banyasa, haba PSC, piwan banyasa angin CSC, to dari Sumar Sukhaya dia kan. Haba banyasa, dia pun kuat, wajuang lah bomdon nang sar, neng ngemplek pun kuat. Dia banyak pun kuat, siapa kadai kaya yang jong? Sumar Sukhaya dia kan. Bat bangingit siapa, kanehi kan long, kajeng mentoy, ya kinong song kita pun kajeng long kam hene po CSC, ni tu siam, ba kan long sa kajeng sekri, kajeng mentoy, ya kasnong kata. Ya kadai kapor. Kajingai nanti hang pada berkene ka mal kena PSC. Kadai kejile kapa ami hibur kejibet kecerwat. Kaladan kejing ketmaktin kapa laimi agi sosial media lembaki YouTube lembaki kubur. Kajing ibu jimut apa yang di solar snong. Bat health department lalu Dr. Amanwar, Dr. Manoj, badi health minister hadu ko por bat MLA barim jingi badan borom jingi balak khat no kaldan gijing pher jingmot ko shet hai re hagane ko por bamata hare boro gitu gijing pher jingmot kamdei bagadon gijing sun gijing daw simat ni sngo ban walang segejo gijing mot jing perkat mengilong bakroi be trelang na kumata ka bhakamet chok kam ka bamatoy lang ko ba bubun ngengit bagani gijing sedang chong gani ka kam ya ka bangin yo ban sakhi menta ka sngai lese kindik tacing sedang jong kowe pat ke projek kidang bun shibun ki kam ki ba ki pai ba kidang don kam man kasngai ngidang ye kren shapang kacing don kam nalor ka kot ka khia haba ki pai ba ki don hakapang ka shtam ki don kam ro wat hakabide bat ka umbam umdi kani ro de kowe na ke issue kowe na kamat ka bangi tutun snow sya ka sarkar
Sir, on behalf of the village, we'd like to apprise you that the people here, they are really in need of water supply. So we want to request you, sir, if you can manage to provide financial assistance or any central scheme or state scheme to these villages, which will help them in getting water supply. Ngasoban penpau icing kemen bakrau ya kabale sina kapor sya kapor nilayo e kalat ben pensngo i chief minister but minister ki bapero her ya kabal ngin yo lese ki kum ki pai ba ya kita ki development lene karoi kapar ki bapero her. We are still lacking behind with so many developmental activities here in our constituency. So hope that under your leadership, under your guidance, that this constituency will not be left alone, and hope that you will take care, and the government is still here for another 2 years under your leadership. We hope that many developmental activities we will get from you and from this government. And as of now, so many people, in spite of in a very short time notice that we have given them, but still so many people, they have responded to this meeting. So this is a good sign, sir, that all the people also they agree and they support your leadership in this government. May this government continue till the end. I bakanika Sarkar MDA hapo chingilam chong I Sir Conrad, but baro ki menteri ki badepet ki department bapero per kinyo ban petiang kakam hadu bakut chong ni kasan senyam baki pai ba kinyo ban saki shibun ba kita ki kam cingkul khu namta ki chungki
kinong song song ni kathang rakat kirong ba snong kumba ongrong ba snong jongga sor jongga mono keneng meni ndu tuli snong badan hapo dong ni lam kum senjuk ngai kumle lang pi baro hi para marjan para marpa ni kathang haning abu tanggo ki jingkar pat kat ni ke sorka kala le nang mata ka jongpi kan mau bahai ka baken rong ba snong jongpi ba sumari ki du ka aset ba government ka bala ai hari kita jaga kejauhi. Kata ada dulu kampa. Marbun sini hanong kedong, ngar ko pada nong mikman nak kata nong kedong. Ijuk don berkecing sengau. Kimar sorkar ijuk. Iman kata kimar sorkar ni bingit tidak bisa. Iman itu tidak kekot. Kani is very important, sir. I tell them, please take care of the government asset, especially this is yours. Kani kan mahu mening iwan kum kinong pentingan ni pi nak ling government alam ki minister handai ke pakham tam ke pakhadu de ke jongpi pi dai kinong sumar kinong pek kinong sili kini baro ngamla ban kle dio MDC jongpi ro bojo wan bana bor so office jongi nak mata ke development baraka ju ko pori MLA bedon borom jing balaya chkwa do balairo ngai ko blai katpang wadi don so bani hani ke perthairo takani ai ngalap nong bade si bagi pisa ji kenau kum kamor keneng bakini jan sinong baro seni lapiyo ya kanika hospital kabari mila banong no kanika de blessing ipi kum kinong sinong hakanika thani ngaro ban ke jingkerman haji alam yo sar konar kum chief minister jungi kini gerang ba baro ni tharai dang bon ki development ki wan hakanika thani undai ta kanika CSC tadang ni ni kenten nama kapo kalame te kublai sibon te nakaling jong aru piti biban ngaba pi kalong sedak ko si ngade emeli jong gawa ajer umulong begitu khon ek gaw mas nya bahalang dha thabi thu ha te nasoro sibetaru ngade kumutrai snong sigani nama rotik bon kinong trei kinong ta ki perlok ki perjur ngaro song kumen kumapi so kumen ni mata kasi bepila ayo ya gani kasi
khagri ke jaka nomor bagni ka PC ke dona ke jaka ka walong ka biang hada dong chedong ka ba wei gelenti ka balik Shillong ka wei gelenti ka balik sepo Guwahati National Highway nabar kata ka daw jod kabru omdei tambah gila ong ban upgrade ya ka na PC CSC ka lakot ka kam kum health minister mo ang yupi ngi dot kamru bandon sekat tu kan ki jing dot kam kum ka blood storage namba banbu ya ka jaka bu sram hakni ka jaka ban kum joru ya ka trauma center nomor bagni ka jaka nomor bagni ka National Highway bon bahagi jingja accident ki baja hagni ke jaka hagta ka por ka balong emergency kam ka bakirkit shenongin wat ya kita ke jiron kam dak betaka trauma treatment but ya kita ka blood facilities ka bagi pai ba ka jungi don kam kini ka jaka ka dei bo ong
but only saving only the people of Maurikneng or the neighboring villages of the Maurikneng, even to those passers-by. Yang itu gibril ru gibaya leti dang ne namar bagranga ni kasurok. Bon ba ki village Joy, ki village Silchar, ki village Mizoram, ki village kiwe ki jaga ki ya daga ni kasurok. Kene kasurok along very strategically located. Haju kata kalau berdengkam. Daga menta juga jodengkam jo pai ba. Tengi kom na kalian sarkar nga simro ka lat ka kabu ban ong yo honorable chief minister ka jogi. Begini ki facilities tu ngila dengkam kerki. Menta segi ilang bu mau nongrem ya kene ka upgradation ya ka PC ke CC Henry kanum slam show kanong ipi bangene inaugurate ya kene ka CC bagalong fully functional kalong jingger ku ba jingmen toy gi bon ba ipai ba tidang kaliang jama sarkar ngirot kam ya ka penyo ya ka jingger trelang jo pi gi pai ba Bagaimana ban pendek ke kini kam bagi kuat ban ong bagi kini ke toma lo ong lem giwe ke nukran ba tran shua junga bagam dei ban ong bagi jo sarkar ke dei ke jungi barbor ke dei ban ong ke jungi ngam kuat ban ong bagi ke jaka ai dawai la shai ke long ke jaka ai daw barbor ki pai ba hakno ko ke jaka bagi jo sarkar ki pulong ke jaka ai daw tang bakla belum mala ki doktor tang slam belum mala lara makat Tang si bakla kerja ke doktor gemtip lagi ke daw jeng pang jeng sitom jeng nuju nu lawan di kelong lawan di samla lawan romba lawan di teman gikro la keno bait bagi di ginong ai dawai kita perlu ikni ke jaka ai dawai ke jaka ai daw tidak ada ke daw ong yupi baro wat perlu ikni ke jaka ai daw nomor 2 kini ke jaka ai jeng subat bagi doktor baro ke betre yang ni kinos baro ke betre yang ni ki asya baro ke betre yang ni Kitray nagabanta ke judul kam yung pajba.
Kani ke janmit ka ba prolong ya kani ke jaka ka jompi. Here kat uchi minister. Ya sakilang mga ki argut ki minister. Bat kumju u local MDC jompi. Rengkat kini ki kenrem ki lendan baro. Ki sodar snong. Kinong kit kam snong baro. Kasu sukhet ke jingmot ke jonga ke japing ke jonga mendakren ni bak pitaru unong yalam jonga senjuk kin reu teligi snong iong badon ki badang ong bakane kade ke kampen be breu kasu ke japing jonga video na ke sarkar ka balak ban penbe da ka CHC Data ke MDA government ke balap penbi yapi na ka PHC siya ka CHC tegalong ke jingir ku ke bakraw ya ka area mawal na kereng barok kawai bat kumal kereng kira orang ba ay bagani ka CHC kan ay ka jing syakri ke bapura ya ka ka than barok kawai sakawai ke bangakwa ban penbi Berkata kali na po kabeteri department. Pero ikren betang mani sumari ke priu. Nga ong tong ni sumari ke manas. Berkata kalong ba Muslim syu nginyo sanction menta ya ka poultry farming jong pihang ni. Ka poultry farming hang ni hapo maurang keneng. Ladadang siya kapor ngin sawan play. Ladadang siya kapor UMDC jong piu play. Berkabar pat in upgrade sekabaha. Mentangi upgrade jika PC siya ka CHC. Tingin upgrade pada jika jaka Sumar Barat. Hangpay hapo seorang kam. Naka sub center siya ka dispensary ban Sumar Barat uway umaw arteli kisembio ki bala don bok pala nagadaw kielet nang ne saya tiasuk tiasan ye pu samerke bat ngimde ban klep ya ulit David Nongrum ngimde ban klep Ihapan salute ulukale eli jongpi reu blei ulai bit pan simno ya u kabangita ke surga bat ngaya ledi kabangaduai kelong tangkawai ba ublei unum e konsuet ya kamaurang keneng konsensi.
At the same time, I can clearly understand the importance of this CHC because it is not just for the people of this area, but being in such a strategic location, this particular CHC can benefit much more and much beyond just simply this area or this particular village. Friends, health has been a very important aspect for this government. We have realized that health indicators and the health services are not up to the mark in terms of being able to provide it in the rural areas. A lot of investment, a lot of upgradation, a lot of manpower has to be put in to ensure that the health services overall come up. With that in mind, this MDA government has been working very hard to upgrade the overall health facilities in many, many rural parts of the state. Not just here in Morankeneng, but in many other parts of the state, where upgradations need to be done from sub-centers to PHCs, PHCs to CHCs, new buildings are required, new equipments are required, proper manpower is required. I'm very happy to inform you that overall our health minister and his entire team has been doing a lot to push the health sector forward. This year is going to be very, very important for us because we are about to implement a very big project which is funded by the World Bank, where new buildings will be put up in different PHCs and CHCs. Renovation works will be taken up at large scale, and usage of telemedicine and information technology will also be upgraded in the implementation of ensuring that better health services are provided to the people. So health has always been the forefront for us, and therefore this decision that we took today, some days back, to upgrade this PHC to CHC was a natural decision. And once again, I would thank the department, the minister, and all the leaders who have played a vital role in making this a possibility. Friends, apart from that, the Honorable MDC had mentioned about many, many areas that need to be upgraded and need to be improved in Morankeneng constituency. He mentioned about the upgradation of the water supply scheme in Morankeneng area. I'm happy to inform all of you that water supply is being taken up very expeditiously by the state government, and definitely the Jal Jeevan Mission benefits will also come to Morankeneng area, and we will ensure that it's done in a speedy manner. So water supply will also be upgraded in this area. He had mentioned about other areas of road, other areas of education also. I'm in constant touch with him. He is the person who is behind this entire push to ensure that we all came here today to upgrade this particular PHC to CHC. Apart from so many upgradations going on, I'm sure that there will be upgradation in his level also. So we are hoping for that also to see in the coming days. So many upgradations taking place, let's have one more upgradation also. So friends, once again, I will not take much time. It is very heartening to see all of you out here today. Let me reassure you that this government has always kept the people in front and always worked towards ensuring that we can get better development for the people, especially in the rural areas of our state.